So today we're taking a look at this box. We've borrowed it off our latest load of clothing to our Birmingham site. Let's have a look what's inside. We're just going to have a rummage through and take stuff out and see what we've got. Got some Burberry.
Very nice.
It's a skirt.
Looks here that I've got tote bag.
So there's loads of reasons this stuff comes through us. It could be that it's overstock, customer returns.
Oh, we've got a Paul Smith jumper.
Oh, this is Paul Smith too.
Ah. Got a dress here. A Victoria Beckham dress.
Oh, that's really pretty.
Actually really pretty.
So it's from a sustainable fashion company. It is, oh, it's like a tank top with ruched sides and a built-in bra as well.
Very nice.
Oh, it's like a zip-up running top in lilac.
I have, I believe it's another running top, Lululemon one in blue. Kind of like flare design.
Here's some We the Free People jeans. We get loads and loads and loads of skim stuff from the supplier.
Oh, here's another one.
Yeah, loads. And it's always going for quite cheap as well. What have you got there?
Just a jumper.
Nice and neutral.
Yeah.
Got a Calvin Klein bra.
Never goes out of fashion.
Yeah, perfect for every day. This is something very big. So this is really heavy actually, and this is from Mona Auscherville, and it's sort of a cottony dress type thing, which is it's actually really heavy, really good quality.
Oh, and to match your dress, I could probably put this bag on as well. Also very big.
Another bag by Verified. So this one is quite nice. Could be every day going out. And then you've got the dust bag to go with it.
Oh, this would be great for running or the gym on cloud. Got a lovely mesh back as well.
Some more jeans. There's actually so much in this box.
I know.
These are Page jeans. They've got like a really nice stretch to them. And just really simple day-to-day jeans. They're quite nice actually.
Got dressed up bow on the front.
That is, yeah.
Oh.
Oh, so this is by Never Fully Dressed. It's leather look.
Nice.
And it's a skirt, yeah.
I believe it's a top.
Good for holiday. Right at the bottom, we've got something that's Vivienne Westwood. Imagine this is jewellery of some sort. I think they're earrings of some sort. Oh, okay, so these are like the sort of classic crystal earrings.
And I've just got basic Skims top.
Oh, I can feel it. Yeah, it's nice quality. That's everything that's in there. So, thanks for coming to this designer unboxing with us. If you want to grab your own fashion haul, head over to johnpye.co.uk. We're going to take this back to the sale rooms now.